Okay, let's welcome to our part 4 of this HTML and CSS full course for beginners. So let's create a new file for part 4 in order to continue where did we stop. If you take a look at that, is our previous video that we did. If you didn't watch, we have a part 1 till part 2. Yeah, we have a part 1, part 2, part 3, and currently we are on the part 4. So let's create a boilerplate for this course in order to explain you something new that we are going to show. Hit exclamation mark and let me change the name of it to part 4. If you didn't know how to generate this boilerplate, so simplest way, you can click on shift exclamation mark and hit enter, so it may give you this things. So we are write H. What is H? H, it means heading, but we use it to make a text bigger or something like that, but it's not necessary to use it everywhere because we can use CSS to make the text bigger or smaller or whatever we like. So in this scenario, we can make it like this, but we have H1 until I think H6, so it depends which kind of text it could be. So I create a H1, I write 3D. I create a H2 3D coding. If you look at the H, you can see it's smaller than the H1 is bigger than H2. So it started like that. When I write H3, it must be uh, bigger than it may be like smaller than H2. So the more we write, we add the number of H, the more it could be like smaller. So we have a different kind of H from H1, H2, H3 till the H. So in the picture, we are going to use this kind of page in order to show in order to create something new related to our course, in order to show you what H can do, like showing the function of it and the styling of it. So it would be so grateful for everyone. So let's back to the square one and continue talking about H. We write H4, it's smaller than H3. When we write like H5, it could be smaller than H4. So we can use this kind of way to express to make a text like bigger or smaller, but my scenario is not necessary to it, because I will show you some tags. It's not necessary to it. When you know paragraph and you know like the division is enough for you, you can style whatever you like maybe long or small, something like this. So I use this one in order to comment out the code. Like I will add this one. It means like I'm showing it a heading. So we do this kind of things to commenting the code. You can see like I think lesson exclamation mark dash dash, and at the end we add dash dash greater than exclamation mark. It means greater than mark in order to show them some text. This kind of text will be ignored by browser. It mentioned it will ignore it. It will not appear on the browser or whatever it is. We can comment large amount of code, not like this one, for example. So we use this kind of comment in order to comment a code. The code will be like hidden. If we will like for example, we write a code, we don't need the code, but instead of deleting it directly, so we comment the code, because maybe in the picture we can require it, or it would be important in the picture. So instead of writing it again, so we just commenting it in the picture, so we can revert it back in order to use it in our programming. So that's why commenting is so important. Don't be always deleting the entire of your code. so you can comment it. If you take a look, I comment the h1. The h1 is hidden already, is like disappear. So whatever you do, so you can comment the code and you can show the code like this, in this kind of the way. So in order to comment the code, you can use like control plus slash, like forward slash. Yeah, you can use control plus forward slash. So when you write this, when you hit this on any code, so the code will be commented. When you take a look, I do that, so the code is disappeared. So that means we are showing you we can comment whatever the code we like, because we don't need it more, so we can comment it out and make it disappear. But in the future, if we need it, so we can remove the commenting, or we can go to the directory code and click control plus forward slash in order to remove the commenting of the code. So this is a little bit way and trick we can use it. But in the future, I will do writing the project. I will show you the another way, so we can do the way in order to like to do to the shorthand. For example, we like to write a lot of code instead of writing from scratch, so we can use the shorthand to write a code in simplest way and make it so good looking. So I add break and I add this ol. Ol means order list. Li, it means the child of the list. For example, when I write ol, it means order list. It means it will start counting from 1 till where we stop. So the child of it could be like li. It means list li. So for example, I am 3D. Yeah, it's appeared. I said 3D coding. It's the second one. So if I add other things, it may be listed down beside like each other. If I add another li, the number 3 will appear, and we can like that. So write 3D coders. So li ol, it means order list in simplest way, so you can use it to list an items or can itemize many kind of items, but the decoration can be removed, like the numbers, it could be removed. We can remove it, but I will show you in the picture by using CSS. So I add number 4, I deployed X. So in the picture, we will use style in order to remove this kind of text and make it easier for everyone to understand what is OL. So we add another break in order to take some space, like format my document. You can use Control K, Control D, or you can use Command K, Command D in order to format it. So UL on order list. On order list, it means the list is not in order side. We can use like bullet. It means bullet. So I write li, the child of the list. It show I'm 3D, but no numbers. It like an order. Yeah, just we can mention the items, but we will not like adding the number before the each child. So this kind of picture just I introduce you because we will use them. Some pictures we haven't mentioned a lot yet, but during creating an entire project, it may help you to know what how to use them, because we will start building smaller projects. When we complete it in the next video, we'll build small projects. After small project, we will take a giant project. The project may take a long time, but if you follow step by step, I will take you to the right place in order to use that. So if we take a look, we're creating different kind of lists. So that is the end, I think, in this video. Only we do this kind of things in simplest way. like we mentioned h1 and order list and unorder list, because we will use them. So if you're new in this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button. Share to your prayer. If this video is good for you, so don't forget, drop the comment down below. Thank you for your time.